Hey, I'm Stefan Boman, and today we're mixing OPETH. In this course, I'm going to walk you through my original mix session of Paragraph 1 from the latest OPETH album, The Last Will and Testament. So I'm going to show you all the plugins, all the gear, automation, all the effects I used. We're also going to talk about how we recorded all the tracks and captured the right tones. And here's the best part. You can download the original multitracks and mix the song yourself. And you can upload your mix and get a personal mix review from Christian Kohler. And I'm going to choose the best mixes, and they're going to win some amazing prizes from Softtube. So you better join the OPETH Mixing Ritual now. The last will and testament.